Open the freezer door and pull it out. Pull out the top sliding upper drawer and lift it off the top rails, and then set aside. With both hands, slightly pull the freezer door upward to lift it out of the bottom rails and remove it. Take out the bottom drawer from the rail guides. Place the front of the door on a flat surface with the rail guides facing upward. Remove the 4 screws that attach the guide rails to the freezer door and set them aside. Repeat the same process for the other side and remove the old rail guides. Install the new guide rails, ensuring the guide holes align with the plastic nubs as shown. Hand thread the 4 screws to get started, then tighten the screws with an electric drill or screwdriver. Repeat the same process on the other side, making sure not to over-tighten the screws to avoid damaging the plastic backing of the door. Line up the 2 guide rail wheels on both sides. Then slightly lift upward to ensure that the wheels align with the rails. Push inward to make sure the drawer slides in properly. Then slide in the upper drawer in the same manner as the lower drawer.